Start. Sir, the very basis of the bill has also been questioned. That is, whether the restructuring of the capital of the institutions is at all needed. Stop. It is a view that a developmental agency should be organizationally independent and its board professionalized. Stop. Having fully fed the Industrial Development Bank of India since its infancy of a decade, the Reserve Bank has placed it in a position of importance. Stop. The government have therefore taken the view that the time has arrived to elevate status of the development bank to that of the principal financial institution. Stop. Just as the Reserve Bank is the central bank of the country, the Life Insurance Corporation of India is the principal investment institution of development bank should achieve the status of the principal financial institution, all the three being directly owned by the government. Stop. The bill seeks to achieve this purpose. Stop. Further, the board of the principal financial institution should reflect the various impulses of different states of India, particularly those which are industrially backward. Stop. As I have already explained, you will see from clause 6 of the bill that in a board of 25 members, excepting 2 who are government officials and 2 employees of the financial institutions, the rest are professionals, is the sense that they represent all India and state level financial institutions, banks, and various fields like science, technology, industry, economics, industrial, cooperative, marketing, etc. Stop. The Reserve Bank, as the central bank of the country, will be represented at the level of a deputy governor on the board and on the executive committee of the development bank. Stop. The Reserve Bank is therefore in a position to continue to make its positive contribution to the operations of the development bank and through it to all the other financial institutions. Stop. It has also been argued that stop.